As you step out of your vehicle at the Texas Canyon Rest Area, a profound sense of awe sweeps over you. The dry desert air carries whispers of timelessness, mingling with the faint scent of creosote and sage. Your eyes are immediately drawn to a dramatic tableau of colossal granite boulders, stacked like a giant's forgotten toys, their surfaces weathered and gilded by the relentless Arizona sun. The rugged terrain seems to breathe with an ancient rhythm, as if holding the secrets of millennia within its golden embrace. At the summit, the world opens up before you, a sweeping panorama that defies imagination. The boulders scatter across the land in wild abandon, creating a maze of shadow and light that dances with the shifting sun. Between them, patches of hardy desert vegetation cling tenaciously to life, their greens and silvers punctuating the earthy tones. Beyond, the peaks of the Dragoon Mountains rise like ancient sentinels, their jagged silhouettes stark against the endless blue sky. From this perch, the horizon seems to go on forever, melting into a haze of distant mesas and valleys. The light changes by the second, painting the rocks in fiery reds, dusky purples, and soft amber hues. As the breeze whispers through the canyon, it carries with it the haunting call of a hawk soaring above, its shadow briefly darting across the land below. Standing here, you feel as though you've become part of a living painting. The sheer scale of the canyon, the textures of the rocks, and the infinite depth of the desert sky create an overwhelming sense of tranquility. Time slows down. The world grows quiet. And for a brief moment, you are utterly immersed in the timeless beauty of the Arizona wilderness. The Texas Canyon Rest Area is more than a stop on the highway. It is a portal to another world. It is a place where nature's artistry reigns supreme, where every glance feels like a cinematic frame, and where the boundless spirit of the desert whispers to those who pause to listen.